How you doing, backers? Okay, for today's video I will be making fudge. Right, to make fudge you need 397 tin of condensed milk, 350 grams of light brown sugar, 120 grams of butter, 125 milliliters of milk, and a pinch of salt. Right, first you line tin up with baking paper. Okay, so put all the ingredients except for the salt into a saucepan. Right. Okay, so when all the sugar has dissolved and the butter has melted, bring to the boil and also continuously stir, especially round the edges, otherwise it'll burn the bottom of the pan. Okay, and do this with caution because the mixture is going to be very hot. Right, so once the mixture has darkened and reduced, it's time to measure it. It's time to measure the temperature. Now, an old-fashioned way is to drizzle dip the spoons carefully into it and drizzle it over some iced water. But I found that to be complicated, and it should be a pliable ball. But I'm using the more high-tech thing and measuring the temperature, and basically it should be 116 degrees. These thermometers, they're not that expensive, they really are not. They're only round about a tenner from Amazon. Okay, yep. Right, so add the salt and basically leave it to cool. Oh yeah, for round about 10 minutes, might I add. And after 10 minutes, beat it up a little bit. And leave it for another 5 minutes. Right, okay, so after 5 minutes is up, beat it up again. Right, okay, so what you do now is pour the mixture into the lined tin. Okay. Right, and even the mixture out a little bit with the back of a spoon or something. And then basically you just put into the refrigerator and leave them for around about 3 hours, or until the mixture has hardened. Right, okay, so you then when it's hardened, you transfer it to out of the tin and onto a chopping board, and then cut it into little squares like so. Okay, so just put them into any kind of container like so. Okay. Okay, so thank you all for watching. That's all for the video. Anyway, so if you liked this video, and you don't forget to comment, like, share, and if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. Also, if you like, suggest a recipe for me and I'll look it up online and see how to make it. Okay, and also do comment, do subscribe, and Twitter, Instagram, and all my social media are in the descriptions below. Anyway, if you want to learn to cook with autism, whether you've got autism or not, and you just want to learn to cook, then remember, I have your back.